Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Bienvenido a mi canal. Well, I just got done doing this natural look. It's like a little bit of browns and a little bit of whites. And of course I had to incorporate a little bit of neon on my inner corner eyelids. Wait up guys, I was loving this dress. Look how beautiful is this dress. I got this dress on Amazon. But look how gorgeous this is. If you guys want me to do an Amazon haul, please let me know in the comments below and I'll show you some stuff because I love shopping on Amazon. But guys, stay tuned and catch me on the other side.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Alright guys, so I already did my eyebrows and I primed my eyelids off camera, so we're going to begin. So we're going to be using the Crown Pro palette and it's these neutral colors right here. These are beautiful neutral colors. So we're going to use this color right here and we're going to place it all over our eyelids. I'm going to use a fluffy brush just like this. And I'm going to place that light color and I'm going to place it all over my eyelids. Just so we can set that concealer in. Alright, so it should look something like that. Then I'm going to place this soft brown color underneath our brow bone. So I'm going to grab the same brush, the blending brush, and I'm going to grab that soft brown color. And I'm going to place it right underneath our brow bone. So right here. So this is going to be our transition shade. So we blend all the colors in. Now I'm going to grab that darker brown and I'm going to place it where I placed that lighter brown color at. This fluffier brush here, and I'm going to put it where I placed the other light color. So now I'm going to grab this orangey brown color and I'm going to place it on top where I put that brown. So like right up here. And I'm going to feather it out just a little bit. Then we're going to grab that flat blending brush and we're going to get that color a little bit deeper. So we're going to use that little deeper brown and we're going to place it underneath our brow bone. So right over here, and we're just going to dab it. And then blend everything out. So the outer corner right here, I want to deepen the eye. So I'm going to place a darker brown color and I'm going to place it right in the outer corner of the eyelid. So I'm going to use this brush right here, the flat angle brush, and I'm going to grab that dark color and I'm going to bring it in. So I'm going to grab that orangey color again and I'm going to place it right up here on the brow bone just to brighten that orangey out. Now I'm going to grab this fluffy brush right over here and I'm going to grab that light color and I'm going to place it on my brow bone. So I'm going to use my Tarte concealer and I'm going to cut the crease and I'm going to do a half cut crease. So I'm going to place that right here. Look up and cut the crease. Now I'm going to use the light color and I'm going to place it where I cut the crease. So I'm going to use a flat brush. So once you got that light color, then I'm going to grab a angle flat brush just like this, a fluffy brush, and I'm going to grab that brown, this brown right here, and I'm going to bring it in. This eye look can be an everyday eye look or a nighttime look, but blend it together with the light color. Super easy, super simple, beautiful eye look. All right, the top, I still want that orangey color to pop out, so I'm gonna place a little bit more orangey. So now I'm gonna wing my eyelids and I'm gonna put my falsies and I'll be right back. All right guys, so now we're going to begin with the foundation and then we're going to finish up with the eyes. So I'm gonna prime my face and I'm gonna use the luminizer primer. It's like this. This primer feels so good on your face and it actually gives you that glow that you're looking for. So I'm loving that primer. So anyways, I'm going to be using my L'Oreal Paris foundation. I'm gonna use my sponge actually. So I have a new concealer that I want to try. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer. And this is in pure beige. But we'll see how the coverage. Now I'm going to blend that out real quick. All right, I think the concealer looks okay. So I'm gonna set my face and I'm gonna use this, and this is e.l.f. Perfect Finish HD powder. And I'm gonna set my whole face with this powder and it looks something like this. I'm going to use my L'Oreal Paris foundation stick and I'm going to contour my face. And I'm going to use this brush right here and I'm going to blend that contour up. I'm going to use my Everyday Vacay and I'm going to set underneath my eyes. I'm going to use this sponge. I'm going to let that sit. So underneath our eyes, we're going to be using this orangey color. And I'm going to use this pencil brush right here. So right down here. And in the outer corner of the underneath the eyes, we're going to place that darker brown. So this brown right here, we're going to place it underneath. And just the outer corner, just to give it that smoky effect. Then I'm going to use this brush and I'm just going to wipe down all the excess product. So to finish the eyes, I want a pop on my eyelids because you know it's summertime. So I'm going to change it up a little bit, and I'm going to put right in here. I'm going to try to put like a pop of green right here in the outer corner. Color to be bright. I'm going to use my NYX Jumbo Milk Pencil, and I'm going to first put that right in here. Just so when I put that pop of green, it would like be bright. So I have that white right there. Now, that's a little trick, guys, if you want that color to be intense. So now I'm going to use my BH Cosmetic, and I'm going to use this pop of neon bright green, and I'm going to place that in the inner corner. This little angle pencil right here, and I'm going to place that right here. I'm going to use Show Me Your Cheeks, and this is peach pink, and I'm going to use this blush. I'm going to use my e.l.f. highlighter, and I'm going to highlight my face. This is a pretty color right here. Alright, so we're done everything. Now we're going to do our lips, and we're going to use the Body Graphy, and this is in Rosewood. I'm going to use this brown color on my lips. I'm going to spray my face. This was a super easy mini tutorial. You know your girl Jess loved doing easy, simple eye look. Well, this was super creative and super cute, and I hope you guys enjoy the pop of green. But if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, comment, like, and subscribe for more videos like this one. And until next time, bye bye.